there everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. So today is a different kind of video. I wanted to bring you along with me while I did some shopping online at DollarTree.com, and I wanted to share with you what items that are useful to buy in bulk from DollarTree.com, because you don't have to always purchase in large quantities. You can purchase in lesser quantities from Dollar Tree, as little as 4 or 6 items, and this comes in handy when you are hosting parties for the holidays, as well as your crafting supplies and things like that. So I wanted to share what I purchased from DollarTree.com and how easy it is to use. Also, I wanted to give you a little tip on how you can earn cash back by shopping online. So stick around for all the details. Alright guys, so before I get started on shopping at DollarTree.com, I want to first start out at TopCashback.com, and this is going to earn me cash back on my online purchases. This is a free site to join, and all you need is your email address to sign up. Once you get signed up, there are over 4,000 retailers to start earning cash back from. And there are places like Walmart, Target, Amazon, and even Dollar Tree. I'm so excited about this because I already shop at Dollar Tree to save money, and if I can shop online at Dollar Tree and then get cash back from it, I think that this is a great opportunity. So it's really easy to do, guys, and this video is actually being sponsored by Top Cashback, so check out the description box below. So that way, if you guys want to sign up, you can get a $5 sign up bonus if you spend $25 or more. So the way that this works is, what I'm going to do is search for Dollar Tree and then click on Dollar Tree from Top Cashback's website, and it's going to redirect me to DollarTree.com, and Top Cashback will track all of my purchases that I make on Dollar Tree. So let's get started shopping. Alright guys, so one thing that I have found that is great to purchase from DollarTree.com is definitely their plates and their stemware and their chargers. You don't have to get large quantities of these things. You basically get what you need. Typically they come in quantities of 6 and 4, sometimes 8 and 12. So depending on what kind of dinner party you're hosting, how many people you're having, I think that this is perfect. I ended up last year actually purchasing some chargers from Dollar Tree, the pearlized white ones, and then some white plates and white bowls to set my tablescape for Thanksgiving. So and I know that sometimes everybody has a hard time going around all of these Dollar Trees and trying to find the specific items that you need. And if it's something like this, especially like the chargers, I know that they don't carry all of the chargers in all of the stores. So if you can get online and purchase the ones that you want, because they have them all on there, the red, the gold, the silver, the white, and then that way you are not running from store to store looking for everything that you need for your tablescape. So definitely check out the tableware from Dollar Tree to help make your holiday hosting easier. So next, if you're a crafter, you will definitely agree with me that buying through Dollar Tree online is a lot easier than trying to go to the store, because most of the time I need more than one of something to craft with. So I need multiples of it. So it's great that I can just go on and purchase the things like the floral foam and also like the reindeer moss. They have that online, which I'm super excited about because I can never find that in my Dollar Tree. And then they have the wire wreath forms there, and I'm always making wreaths or wanting to use those for different projects. So it's nice to be able to just purchase those things online. There are tons of things. The nautical rope, I found that on there that you can buy a quantity of 4 of. I know I'm always using one for a project here and then needing another one and then having to run out, and then the Dollar Tree doesn't have it. So being able to buy those multiples online really helps with crafting and keeping your craft room supplied. Lastly, which I'm really excited about, is some of the Christmas decor. And one thing that I did find that I'm definitely making a purchase for is these snowman mugs, because I've not seen them in my Dollar Tree. I probably won't ever get them inside my Dollar Tree, and I can get them in a quantity of 4. So I'm definitely gonna pick up some of these mugs. And then also the Christmas trees, you can get as little as 4 of those, and I just think that those are like something that you can just set around your home and kind of just decorate them and make them Christmassy. Also, I found that the metal buckets with the rope on them, you can get a quantity of 4 of those, either in the tall or the short ones. And then you can get the Christmas trees and you can put those 2 things together. And I think you can decorate those all around your house, and that would be perfect for a little farmhouse Christmas. So I am super excited to be getting some of these Christmas items to be decorating with and DIYing with in the future. Okay, so now I have some of the things that we talked about in my cart, and all I'm going to do is just check out like normal through Dollar Tree's website. I'm going to select ship to the store because it's free shipping that way. It's a lot cheaper to do to the store rather than having it shipped to your home. And then I'm just going to check out like normal, and Top Cashback will record this transaction, and then I will be able to go onto my account and see how much cash back I earned. Alright guys, I hope you found this information useful and it helped you to figure out what you can purchase from DollarTree.com without having to buy such large quantities of things. Definitely check out the description box below so you can start earning cash back on your online purchases with TopCashback.com. I know I will be using this a lot during this holiday season because I do all my shopping online for my presents. So why not go ahead and earn cash back while I'm shopping online? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below in the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.